Let's solve the equation. X squared minus 3x minus 1 squared minus 3 times x squared minus 3x minus 1 minus 1 equals x. Let's define f of x as x squared minus 3x minus 1. Then the equation becomes f of x equals x. Let's set y equals f of x. Then x equals f of y. So now we have the pair y equals x squared minus 3x minus 1 and x equals y squared minus 3y minus 1. Label these as equation 1 and equation 2. Let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Left-hand side becomes y minus x. Right-hand side becomes x squared minus y squared minus 3 times x minus y. Now write x squared minus y squared as x plus y times x minus y. So we get y minus x equals x plus y times x minus y minus 3 times x minus y. Factor out x minus y minus x equals x minus y times x plus y minus 3. Now divide both sides by x minus y. We find that negative 1 equals x plus y minus 3. So either x equals y or y equals 2 minus x. So from this, we have two possible conditions, y equals x or y equals 2 minus x. We will now substitute both of these cases to find the values of x. Case 1, if y equals 2 minus x, substitute into the equation. 2 minus x equals x squared minus 3x minus 1. Bring all terms to one side. X squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Factor x plus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals negative 1 or x equals 3. Case 2, if rejoice equals x, then we substitute directly into f of x equals x. That gives x equals x squared minus 3x minus 1. Move all terms to one side. X squared minus 4x minus 1 equals 0. Complete the square. X minus 2 squared equals 3. So x equals 2 plus square root of 3, or x equals 2 minus square root of 3. Therefore, the full set of solutions is x equals negative 1, x equals 3, x equals 2 plus square root of 3, and x equals 2 minus the square root of 3. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.